Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple note-taking system in Notion. This is going to be a very simple tutorial, so without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to have an empty page, which we are going to name as Notes. Then we can add icons so it looks a bit better. I'm going to search for Writing and choose this one. Nice. Now, we can also change the cover of our Notion page. Click on Add Cover and choose the one you like. I'm going with this one. And now it's time to work on our note page. Let's create a database for our notes by writing /data, and then choose Table View Database. Let's give our table a name. I'm going to go with My Notes. And then we can add Button to our page. Go down here, write /and button. And then we can start to add some logic to our button. Now we can see that we have selected the When Button is Pressed action. And now we are going to add a new action. And this will be Add Page To. Then select the data source, and this will be My Notes. Okay, perfect. Then we are going to add second action to our button, and this will be Open Page. And select Page Added. Then we can modify how we want to open this page. I will keep this as Center Peak, as it is the best in my opinion. Now, the last thing before saving is that we need to give name to our button. I'm just going to keep this simple and name it as New Note, and then click on Done. Okay, perfect. Now when our note function is working, all our notes will appear in here. Let's try how our button will work. Click on the new note, then do some random note. I'm going to type my first note, and then save. And there we go. Now our note will appear in here. Now to make this look better, I'm going to drag our button to the top so it is more easily accessible. Okay, now it's time to make our notes better by adding multi-selection to it. Click on Add Property, then select Multi-Select. Perfect. Now we can start to add our tags in here. These tags can be, for example, home, hobby, or work. And now we can remove the tags that are not relevant regarding this note. Then go to your My Notes page and create a duplicate of it. Let's rename this as Work and add filter to it. Click on Multi-Select and select Work. Perfect. Now all our notes that are regarding work will appear in here. Let's do a couple more for our hobby and home notes. Create a duplicate of this note page. Rename it as Home. Switch the filter for Home. And let's do one more page for our hobby. Rename this as Hobby. And switch the filter. Good job. Now we can head back to the list where we have all notes and rename this as All Notes. Now, if we add a new note, I'm just going to type hello. We can choose our tag from here. Now the note will appear here with all notes and also in its own page. There we go. Now there is one more thing before wrapping this up that you should know. In case you have homepage, which I'm going to create now, you can take the button from our notes page and drag it to our homepage. Now if you want to make notes quickly, you can just click the note button in here. Then I'm going to create a random note. And as you can see, the note is now appearing in here. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more similar content. Have a great day.